So I probably let it run for a week. And then some of the first stuff I'm looking at is what's the frequency of these campaigns, what ads inside those campaigns are doing the best and the worst, and is there anything I'm learning early on, like this style of ad or this ad in particular is just dominating the others. So I'd just be looking for basic insights, but I wouldn't even be like tempted to take action on any of those until at least a week in. And even then I might just make tiny changes and let it play out another week then.
Okay, all right, that makes sense. And because we're targeting warmer audiences and because we have quite a limited budget, is in that initial phase, is click-through rate or I guess video view percentage of the video, are they probably the two big leading indicators of success that we should look for?
Yeah, initially in the first week or two, I'm looking at click-through rate and I'm looking at cost per click. If we start seeing some kind of conversion events, that would be great. I do imagine one of the things I would expect is that when you're turning on an ad campaign like this and when it comes live, it's going to be serving the most active LinkedIn users first because they're on LinkedIn today, they're going to be on LinkedIn tomorrow. So usually there's going to be some of the best results are going to be in the early weeks. So I really would expect these conversion events to be happening in the first 3 weeks. But yeah, in the first week or so, I'm looking at CTR and CPC, and I'm really just trying to gauge, is it under $10?